Hi, this is another quick roundup video covering the new features that we recently launched for ServiceDesk Plus Cloud. First feature is audit logs. Auditors can now audit the changes that has happened as part of your setup section in the application. Changes like somebody's updating the value to a field or even renaming the field is captured along with the details of the person who made that change. You can also get details like if a field is deleted or a configuration is deleted or if it was accessed by a user in the application. The second enhancement we brought in is for the problems module. We have brought in copy problem feature as part of the details section in a problem, with which you will be able to quickly copy a problem and create a customized new problem in the application. We have also introduced trash section for problems. So if a problem is deleted, it will stay in the trash section for about 30 days, after which it is completely deleted from the application. The next enhancement that we have brought in is for the solutions module. We have clubbed the customization for solution together under customization section, solution management. You will be able to customize the solution's prefix ID and you can also define the solution start number over here. You can also specify who should be able to approve solution in the application. We have also brought in template customization for solution notifications for notifications like if a solution is approaching its review date or it has expired or it is approaching its expiry date. All of these templates can be customized in the application. The last enhancement that we launched is for ZIA blended conversation. You will now be able to create blended conversations in Spanish, which means blended conversations can be deployed for Spanish ZIA chatbot separately in ServiceDesk Plus application. Thank you so much. See you in another video.
Hi all. Today, in this video, we are going to look into the top features which we released in ServiceDesk Plus on-premises. The first feature is going to be the auto-upgrade functionality. Today, it's very important that you secure most of your applications in your environment. With auto-upgrade functionality, ServiceDesk Plus is capable of doing an auto-upgrade of any security patches that's released for ServiceDesk Plus. The important point over here is you don't have to worry about any of your downtime during this upgrade. The second important feature that I would like to introduce you is going to be the custom module. With custom module, there is a huge amount of expansion that you can do in ServiceDesk Plus. Now let's take an example that you wanted to have a risk assessment managed in ServiceDesk Plus. Using custom module, you can create the risk assessment as per your company's policy. Not just that, with custom module, you can also add new custom admin configuration which can be utilized in the custom modules that you would like to create further. The third feature that I would like to introduce you is going to be the ZIA prediction role. With this particular role, a technician can create any custom keywords that is used for the approval mechanism. The fourth important feature that I'm going to introduce you is going to be the asset booking. With asset booking functionality, the end users can book any sort of asset that they would like to book for their testing purpose. Now, say for an example, a QA tester would like to book any particular server OS in order to test their application. With asset booking, the requesters can log into the self-service portal and book the asset for a particular time period that they need. Thank you all for watching this video today. Meet you next time. See you all.